So, this is the Trust in the Lord Bible Study and Prayer Journal. And when you open up to the first page, it's your classical journal page with your name. You can put the date, and then the key verse is Proverbs 3:5. And as you guys can see, I did not waste any time, but let's go ahead and take a look at the template. So, you have your date, you can put your Bible verses, you can either reference the verse or write it out. Then we have our section that's called prayer, praise, questions, or additional Bible verses. So I sometimes will also put keywords that I want to define. And then you have plenty of space to jot down any notes that you study as you are reading your Bible. And I love to pair my women's study Bible with the Trust in the Lord journal. Some things that I love about this Bible is that at the bottom it includes commentary about certain verses and certain things about the chapter. It also includes at the beginning of each book of the Bible, it has background information like the author, the date, the setting, the purpose, the audience, literary characteristics, themes. It also includes a general outline of the book in general, which I just love. It also includes things like maps throughout the Bible. It includes devotionals and charts, and just things to help you go deeper in the Word, which I love. And another good website that I love for studying is actually called the blueletterbible.org. I highly recommend that one as well. And if you're new here, my name is Brianna, and I love empowering parents and educators with resources for young children. And I just feel like if we're not strong spiritually, how can they be strong spiritually? So if you enjoyed today's content, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button.